Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an awesome day trading today. Very strong market today. All three major indices in the green by quite a bit actually. S&P 500 up 0.65%, NASDAQ up 0.95%, and the Dow 30 was up 0.58%. You can see my portfolio up top there in the green, up $86.56, representing 0.29% of my overall portfolio. Did lose a little bit in after hours trading, but just $1.16. As I scroll through my portfolio, you can see a lot of green. One area that did get hit a little bit hard here today was my industrials, aerospace, BA, LMT, conglomerates, GE, 3M, machinery, ITW, railroad companies as well, CNI, UNP, and supply company, IP, all in the red today. The materials as well, Dow down a little bit. Automotive's kind of a mixed picture. Ford and GM kind of split there. Then as I scroll down through the rest of my portfolio, a lot of red here, especially in technology stocks, as you would expect with the NASDAQ being up almost 1%. And then a couple of plays I made. This PIP here, I talked about this in a video the other day. There's a $2.94 dividend coming, and the stock's only $3.25. And if you would have held this just a little bit ago, you're actually getting 100+% of the stock in a dividend. So very unique play there. Didn't have a lot to talk about today. Sorry about posting another late video here. Got stuck at work. What is very interesting, however, is that the Fed should be raising the interest rate tomorrow, is from what I understand. And I don't think there's going to be a lot of movement within the markets. There may be a little bit of a downtrend for maybe a day or so, but essentially all investors should be aware of this federal interest rate hike coming. There's really little that suggests that the Fed won't be raising the interest rate. Everybody has known this is coming, so this should not be a shock to the market. But as I posted in a few other videos, the market seems to be quite fickle. Even things like this that should be known, that every investor should be anticipating, does shake the market more than I would anticipate, actually, more than I would assume, with the fact being that, the vast majority of investors who hold any significant amount of holdings should be very well educated about what's happening, what some of the major moves that are going to be affecting the market should be happening anyway, are going to be taking place, when they're going to be taking place, why they're taking place. But having said all of that, the market does move quite wildly with some rather big swings on decisions by the Fed and other regulatory organizations, big swings with politics that really shouldn't move the market at all. These things should be anticipated and known and, factored into the price of stocks already, but they're not. So having said that, I don't anticipate a lot of market moves tomorrow. I didn't really go ahead and sell off any stocks today. I think if there is a downtrend, it'll essentially rebound fairly quickly. I think, though, if next year they continue raising interest rates on a very regular schedule, I think that would downtrend the market a bit. But one rate hike tomorrow, I don't think it's going to have a major impact. There might be an initial little bit of a sell-off, so it may be a good time to possibly jump in, buy some stocks, and then sell off later in the day for a little bit of a day trade, maybe a swing trade throughout the week as well. But that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. Just a little bit of a discussion about the federal interest rate hike, updating you guys on how my portfolio did today. And if you guys have any ideas for videos, let me know. Any good plays coming up, let me know. Give me your thoughts on what you think the federal interest rate hike is going to do to the markets and to your portfolio. And just let me know. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. Learning about the markets. If you have any good pointers for me, let me know. If there's anything that you are wondering about, go ahead and ask, and I may post a video about that. So with that, I'll kind of end the video here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.